Save money on clearance items at Home Depot. Hello, welcome to 7 Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. Hello everybody, so I'm here at Home Depot and they have some great items on clearance. You can save money by getting these items, especially if you intend to use these items later on in spring, summer, or in your garden, or in the house, or the yard. So some of these items you can save some money on them. So let's take a look. Let me show you what they have over here on clearance, and then you can check your local Home Depot for any of these items that are on sale right here. They might have it at your local store, so take a look at it. So right here, the first one you can see is this is a gas powered pressure washer, and it's on sale right now from $330 to $300. Even though that's not, but it's still savings. Here you have another one that's on sale from $229 to $150. Here you have cordless trimmer from $99 to $59. So if you intend to get a trimmer this for your yard this year, you want to try to save some money on it, you can get something like this. So usually these items are discontinued items that they're not going to carry anymore. There's nothing wrong with the items. You can save a lot of money by buying items like this. So over here they have another trimmer. Here is $129 from $179. These are all gas powered trimmer. This one's a battery powered trimmer right here. Over here they have Moe Golfer Sonic Spikes. They have cordless box zappers over here, and all these ones are on clearance, $32. Mosquito control. They have hoses right here, as you can see. Spray. Down here you have gloves, garden gloves. These ones $1.50 for garden gloves. Here you have Garden Tech insect for $21. Not a lot of value on that. Here you have electric hybrid trimmers. You have garden knee support right here on clearance. Over here they have some different items that are on clearance. You have moss out, that's $7. You have snake shield, that's $13. Over here you have stainless steel garden hose for $37. You have some tools here, $15. We have over here hose bottler for $21.98. We have bug, the gun, repellents over here, ground clear. So you can save a couple of dollars on some of these items. That's not bad if you intend to use any of them. Over here you have window box plants, $11.98. And these are clay and they're very heavy. That's good for planting on your window. You have ground clear, run up over here. If you use them in the summer, you want to get them now at a discount. So you save money on those. Over here they have different another variety of ground clear to kill weeds and other stuff. These are all $21. You have hose, garden hose right here. You have another steel garden hose right here. This one is $39. You have gas trimmer, and then you have these over here. These are the electric washers for $129. I think we saw that already. So those are some of the things that you can save money on. Just check your local stores. They might have different items, they might have different prices, but you can save money by getting stuff like that at a discount instead of paying full price. Okay, hopefully this helps you out. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.